Have you ever wondered why, out of more than 1 million species on Earth, only humans developed true intelligence? Couldn't birds have evolved into bird people, or fish into fish people, or elephants into elephant people? Why us, and only us? We've already looked at 2 possible origins of humanity, one through the perspective of extraterrestrial creation, and another through the biblical story of divine creation.
But today, let's examine the 3rd perspective, evolution. According to evolutionary theory, humans evolved from apes.
But if apes could evolve into humans, then why hasn't any other creature crossed that threshold into intelligence?
Consider the famous diagram that shows a sequence of ape-like figures transforming step by step into a modern human. You've seen it everywhere. Yet, that image, first published in 1965, wasn't meant to say humans literally evolved in that straight line. Instead, the author intended to show that, throughout history, Earth has hosted many human-like species. Fossils reveal at least 15 different kinds. All of them are gone now, except for us. But here's the mystery, none of those 15 extinct human-like species can be directly linked to us through fossils. They look related, but the evidence suggests otherwise.
Why, then, did every other human-like species vanish, while only Homo sapiens survived?
One theory says it's because we were smarter. We could make tools, wear clothes, and adapt better. But is that really true? Take the Neanderthals, for example. They appeared at nearly the same time as modern humans. Their brains were larger than ours, about 1,450 cubic centimeters compared to our 1,350. Imagine a species where everyone had the brainpower of Einstein.
If they were smarter, why did they die out around 30,000 years ago? And what if they didn't die out at all?
Some believe Neanderthals advanced so quickly that they became a higher civilization, disappearing either underground or far beyond our reach.
So why did we survive, while others didn't?
To answer this, let's examine what makes us human. First, walking upright. Only humans consistently walk on 2 legs. Apes and bears can walk upright, but only for short moments.
Why did we commit to it? Some say it freed our hands to use tools.
But apes also use their hands.
Why didn't they evolve the same way?
Perhaps it wasn't just tool use, it was the need to carry heavy things. Imagine ancient humans burdened with loads too great to balance on all 4s. Standing upright may have been the only way.
But what exactly were they carrying?
Some theories even link this to myths of extraterrestrials, suggesting humans were once forced into heavy labor, like mining. Second, weak muscles. Unlike other animals, our muscles deteriorate quickly if we don't exercise. Lions, tigers, even lazy monkeys maintain strong bodies without effort. But humans? A few months of inactivity, and we weaken dramatically.
Why would evolution favor such fragility?
Third, no fur. This is perhaps the strangest of all. Almost every land mammal is covered in fur, yet humans are nearly hairless. Even stranger, our head hair keeps growing indefinitely, something no other species experiences.
Why would evolution design us this way?
Bald skin and heavy sweating make us ideal for cooling down, like laborers working under intense heat, perhaps underground. But Earth has never been consistently hot, it's been through repeated ice ages.
So why would humans evolve to shed fur in a freezing world?
Fourth, the white of our eyes. No other animal has it. For predators, showing eye direction is a disadvantage. For prey, it's useless. Yet humans developed bright whites around the iris, making our gaze obvious.
Why? Communication. Long before language, humans relied on eye contact to silently coordinate.
Without whites in our eyes, you'd never know where someone was looking. Our eyebrows and facial expressions serve the same purpose, communication beyond sound. And then comes our greatest difference, language. Not just sounds, but grammar, complex structures, and the ability to describe the past and the future. Nature doesn't need language. Animals survive with signals, a bark for danger, a howl for location.
Why did humans suddenly require grammar, storytelling, and the power to lie? What kind of crisis forced early humans into developing speech, or perish?
We still don't know. But once we had language, something else followed, memory beyond the brain. Humans recorded what they saw. Cave paintings, carvings, myths, our ancestors preserved experiences, passing them down across generations. Animals remember too, but only in their minds. Humans externalized memory, allowing knowledge to grow exponentially. Civilization was born. Yet, curiously, our brains aren't extraordinary in size or design. Dolphins, whales, and even some birds rival or exceed us in neural complexity. Spiders dedicate 80% of their body to brain tissue. Still, none of them created cities, art, or science.
Why? Perhaps the secret lies in a window of time, between ages 3 and 5.
If a child doesn't hear language by then, they will never truly learn grammar, no matter how intelligent they are. Experiments with isolated children prove this. The human brain is unique not because it is vastly superior, but because it is wired to unlock extraordinary abilities in that critical early stage. And this is where we arrive at a paradox. Physically, humans are among the weakest creatures on Earth. We are slow, fragile, easily harmed by cold, vulnerable to sunlight, and born helpless. Compared to animals, our senses are dull, our reflexes sluggish. By natural standards, we should never have dominated this planet. Yet somehow, inside this frail body sits a mind like no other, a powerful operating system running on weak hardware. Imagine an old, broken-down computer, but running the latest and most advanced software.
That is us. So I ask again, if apes became humans, why couldn't dolphins become dolphin people, or elephants become elephant people?
From a biological standpoint, they could. Their brains are capable, their bodies strong. Given time, why not? And yet, no second intelligent civilization has appeared. That leaves us with two possibilities. First, the conditions that gave us intelligence were not natural, they were designed, perhaps given to us deliberately. Or second, advanced civilizations once existed, but vanished whether by extinction or by moving somewhere beyond our reach. Either way, the conclusion is the same: humanity is not the ultimate origin of intelligence. We are merely a continuation, an inheritor, perhaps even an experiment. And if wisdom is not a product of evolution, but something bestowed, then perhaps the greatest truth of all is this: evolution shapes the body, but intelligence is a gift.